Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be working on this Cosco little step stool. I'm sure most of you guys have had one of these or still have one of these in your home. This is not in good shape at all. It's hideous, it's rusty, it's nasty, but I have grown quite fond of this funky little color on here. It's been sitting around the shop for quite some time, so I have grown a little attached to it. I'm not sure where this project's going to take us. I say we just jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well, as you can see, there is no tread left on the bottom step at all. It's nothing but rust. There's a little bit of tread left on this second step. I'm going to try and get this off here. Like I said, it is not in good shape at all. You can see that the original color was red. Somebody painted it a funky aqua. Again, I'm not happy with the paint on there, but yet at the same time, I do like the chippy look to it, so it's almost satisfying there, isn't it? God, it really is. It's coming off like that. I do have some stuff we can put some more tread on here. I'm not quite sure where I put it. I think it's like a grip tape. I think that might be sufficient. Yeah. Try and get most of the rust off there. Let's give you a better view on the top here. I don't know. Alright, got you up a little higher. Now you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to get all the loose, flaky paint off here. See what we're working with. I don't think any of this paint is harmful. I haven't tested it or anything like that, but the way it's coming off, this is just real old latex paint. It's more of peeling than anything. So originally what my plan was to take this entire chair apart and strip everything off of it. But the more I'm looking at it, the more I really like this distress look. I mean, I'm really digging it. It's just showing its age, you know? Showing multiple layers of paint. There's purple, there's white, there's red, there's rust. You know what I think I want to do? I think I want to take this outside and throw my cut brush on there and see what kind of look we get after that. So let me clean up my mess in here and we'll take it outside. Alright guys, well we're going to hit it with the wire wheel. what I want to do is knock off all the loose, flaky paint. Give it a distressed look, see how it looks. If I feel good with it, then we're going to clear coat it and be done with it. If I don't like the way it looks, then we're probably going to paint it. So let's jump right into it. Well, to be honest with you, I kind of like the shabbiness of it. Got enough of the aqua paint on there. It's got some red. It's got some white. Got all the scaly, flaky stuff knocked off there. And yeah, I think it's looking all right. There are a couple of bolts that I need to tighten up on this side. So, I don't even know if there's a nut on there. Oh, there it is. That's good. Okay. Let me go grab some tools. We'll tighten up some hardware and we'll spray this with a clear coat. Get some clear coat on this. Alright, I got the exhaust fan going. We're going to throw us a nice quick coat of lacquer on this. That'll give it some time to dry. It's still a little chilly this morning. It's down in the 60s, but forecasted to get up into the upper 80s. So you can tell it's August, tail end of August. The weather's starting to change a little bit for us here. Definitely my most favorite time of year is fall and spring. I do love winter, but I cannot stand summer. It's too hot, guys. Fan's doing a good job sucking that overspray out. A lot of people would call this shabby chic or rat rod. I would definitely consider it rat rod, but I'm going to call this worn industrial. Get rid of that. That's all dry. Let me show you what I got. I got this grip tape. It's not the best stuff ever, but for what I need it for, we're not actually going to use that. Well, we might use it in the shop as a step stool, but I just want to put it on there to give the stool a little bit better look. I'll probably just do the 2 steps right across the middle of it, probably, and we'll go from there. Let me grab a utility knife. Alright, so this is what I'm looking at here. Looks like I just want to put a little radius on each corner. Got to find something that has a fairly nice curve to it. Alright, so I cut the radiuses on this. If I'm not mistaken, the last time I used this I had a real hard time separating. Oh, look at that, it came right off this time. I was going to say, had a real hard time separating the sandpaper. Alright. That'll be good enough. Just got to do that one more time for up here. See if this is going to be sufficient. Oh yeah. We'll just duplicate this. Get you zoomed in on what I'm doing here. Save that. You know I was going to drop it. These are our kitchen shears. When my kids were very, very young, they nicknamed these scissors danger scissors. And 24 years later, for some strange reason, we're still calling them danger scissors. I walked in the house, I said, "Hey honey, where are the danger scissors?" She pointed at them. It's funny how little names like that stick throughout the years. Danger scissors. Alright, nice thick vinyl. with that. It's like 60 grit on there. Alrighty, well, we are all done with this. It came out kind of like how I envisioned. I do like the fact that I put new treads on there just in case I wanted to utilize it as a stool. But I think this thing has got the look that I was looking for. You know, old, industrial, vintage, worn. It's got all the trademarks that I really like, and I think it'll be a nice little place to sit and rest after a long day of picking. So this is going to be a new feature here in the shop. She's all done, and yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Hope you guys are too. Well, that's it for this one, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.